video. Today is just going to be a really fast, really simple tutorial on how I do my side part slick bun. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and make sure that post notifications are on. And with that, we're just going to get right into it. Okay, so we're going to start off by parting our hair. So I'm just taking my rat tail comb, and I like parting my hair to the left. My left, which is your right. But yeah, so I like my parts to be a little bit more curved. You can make them as straight, like you can make them straight back, you can make them curved, however you want. It really doesn't matter, but this is how I do it. Okay, so now I'm just going to be spraying my hair, like the perimeter around with water, and I'm just going to be taking my Mielle pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna apply it everywhere to my head. I like putting leave-in conditioner before like the gel, just because it leaves my hair a little bit more moisturized. I have to fix my part a little bit more, and then I sneeze. Corona. No, I'm just kidding. So now I'm just going to be taking my Eco Gel. It's the olive oil one, and I'm taking this like flat laying brush, whatever. And I dip my brush into the gel. And so with your hair like slightly wet, you just want to put the comb it through and just start styling it. So one of the tricks to getting your hair to lay like super slick down is, instead of adding more gel, add water. That will help your hair to like fully like start to lay down. Just don't add too much, because then your hair won't dry. Now I'm going to tie my hair up with a hair tie after I finish fixing some little touches. If your hair starts to crack like mine did, that's okay. It can be just as simple as you just need to put your hair back like together with some gel and a brush like I did. Or sometimes that happens because you're taking too much hair, or you're not taking enough and you're trying to bring it too far down. So just make sure you have the perfect amount of hair. Now I'm just going to be taking my edge brush and my Eco Gel, and I'm just parting my sideburns, and I'm laying down my edges. I take the comb first, and I like to just like separate it, and then I take the brush and brush it out, make it more smooth. Now I just brush out any bumps that are left. And for my sideburns, for my ladies that have longer sideburns, this is how I do it. I spray my hair, and with like a little bit of gel, I just lay down like the top part so the top part stays, and I curl the bottom, and that's it. This is the final product. So that is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. If you want some more hair tutorials, comment down below what kind of styles you like. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Remember to stay hydrated, stay confident, and that I always love you. With that, Nani out.